6. And the race is on. Inner Class from the outside, rushing up. It's Bahala Na. Moving up by Daral Angel, Dugo, Mr. Saber. Under, further outside is Launlaan, and the German is the early trailer. Bahala Na, Launlaan. Mr. Saber is running in third. Inner Class racing on the outside by Daral is the German. And Angel Dugo is now running at the tail of the field. Bahala Na by about 2 lengths, followed by Launlaan in second. The German Inner Class also rushing up in between runners. Mr. Saber racing on the outside, fifth, and Angel Dugo. As they race the last 500, Launlaan, Bahala Na. Inner Class is racing on the outside. The German Angel Dugo, Mr. Saber, as they race the final. There's a spill, J.G. Tinte on the German. Launlaan by about 2 lengths. Inner Class on the outside is Angel Dugo. Launlaan. Inner Class on the outside is Angel Dugo. Launlaan, Angel Dugo. Rushing up on the outside, and finally it's going to make close. Launlaan and Angel Dugo. Inner Class took third. Mr. Saber